Hi y'all, and welcome to Texas Real Food. My name is Stephanie, and today I want to talk to you about the magic of soil. Soil is more than just dirt, much more. Soil is the basis for all farming. Throughout this video, I will go over the surprising versatility of soil and its uses, as well as introduce the challenges facing healthy soil on a global scale. Soil is part of what is known as the sedimentary strata of the earth. Soil itself is formed by the erosion of near-surface rocks through the means of air, water, and ice, mixed with dirt, the remains of animals and plants, and bodily wastes. Soil is naturally formed and is made with the participation of many forms of life. Plants decay with the help of bacteria and add fertility to the soil. Burrowing animals mix it up. Earthworms pulverize and process the material internally before excreting the same material in a refined form. Burrowing animals and earthworms also create passageways through the earth that allows air to reach the roots and plants that need it. There are two main types of soil, subsoil and topsoil. The richest soil is topsoil. This is due to the mixing and management performed by animals and insects that being closer to the surface allows. Topsoil is not very deep, usually about 12 inches deep at most. These top 12 inches are the best for growing plants of all kinds. The contributions of those little creatures involved in unknowing soil maintenance are invaluable to pretty much all land-based life on this planet. Soil is the basic foundation for the growth of organic matter and is responsible for all vegetation and natural land-based food sources. Soil has a magic about it that more often than not goes overlooked and underappreciated. Soil is not impervious. The fertility of topsoil can be lost over time, and without proper forethought and maintenance, stop being usable for agriculture. The preservation of soil should be at the very top of the agricultural industry's list of priorities, but many of the major industrial farming corporations do not hold it in such high regard. Industrial farming practices such as monocultures are a major cause for concern as far as soil integrity is concerned. Rain and excess water, such as flooding, can be damaging to topsoil. Water can erode sections of topsoil and carry away the nutrients needed by plants further down into the earth, into the subsoil and below. These nutrients are thankfully not completely lost, as larger plants such as trees can reach down deep enough with their roots and continue to draw nutrients from the subsoil. Excessive water is far from being the main source of danger to soil. Soil erosion and depletion are areas of massive concern within the agricultural community. The leading causes of soil erosion and depletion are not natural ones. Though some degree of erosion and depletion could be a natural occurrence that farmers work to correct, industrial farming is responsible for a great deal of damage done to topsoil. Some of this damage is irreparable. Thankfully, there are some practices that could lead to the regeneration of soil. For more information on soil erosion and degradation, be sure to check out other videos here at Texas Real Food. Soil is a key element to the creation and sustaining of life. Often undervalued, soil should be preserved and replenished far more than it typically is. Industrial farming tends to ignore the invaluable and fragile nature of healthy topsoil and is causing massive soil degradation. Small farms and those who practice regenerative agriculture are doing their part to preserve healthy, fertile soil for the future of agriculture. Thank you for watching this video at Texas Real Food. If you learned something or found something useful, then do us a favor and like this video. We would love to hear your opinions, so head on down to the comment section and join the conversation. Be sure to subscribe and check out the other videos here at Texas Real Food.